Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting into the router now. First, identify the Xfinity gateway model and ensure you have the admin credentials. Use your Xfinity ID if required. Once done, connect a laptop or phone to the network with Wi-Fi or Ethernet so settings save reliably. Open a browser and go to 10, 0, 0, 1 or use the Xfinity app. Log in with the admin account. This access step matters because you'll need full privileges to disable the 5G wireless band safely. Once logged in, navigate to the gateway or connection section, then choose Wi-Fi or wireless settings so you can view both bands. You'll see 4 GHz and 5 GHz entries. Take note of SSID names and the password because devices may need reconnection. If bands are combined, first split them by assigning a distinct SSID to 5 GHz. Make sure you understand which devices require 5 GHz. This preparation prevents losing devices unintentionally when you turn the band off. Now disable the 5 GHz radio by toggling its enable control or setting its status to off, then save changes. The gateway may reboot. Wait until it finishes. After the change, connect critical devices to the 4 GHz network and verify connectivity, speed, and coverage. If something fails, power cycle the gateway and try again, or re-enable 5 GHz and confirm settings. One key troubleshooting tip. If devices can't find the network, check SSID visibility and ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.